Hey guys, we're Steve, Ashley, Michaela, Riley, and our wonderful dog Tango, traveling full time in our RV to explore America's national parks, small towns, and everything in between. From scenic hikes to quiet campfires, we're sharing our journey one adventure at a time. This week, we are taking you along with us to one of the darkest campsites in the country, as well as an interesting visit to check out a local ghost town.
Okay, we're back on the road. We had a couple days stay at the MWR Park at Fort Bliss. So for active duty people and former military that still have access to the base, those are great, inexpensive places to stay.
Just be aware, you're right by a highway, so it's
yeah,
going to
that
be
park,
loud.
Yeah. Lots of traffic noise.
We didn't sleep very well.
I slept fine.
Well, we took a couple days to reset the RV after boondocking and restock on supplies. We're heading towards Cosmic Campground in New Mexico. It's another BLM land dispersed camping site. It's registered on the International Dark Sky Association for star viewing.
Hopefully we get a spot.
Yeah, they only have 6 or 7 campsites there, so we're hoping there's at least one for us. But it's a Thursday, so a lot of times looking online it says it kind of fills up over the weekend. But yeah, we just went through that Border Patrol check station. We're not sure. I mean, it's our first time in the Southwest, so is that a common thing, or if it's kind of like an increased thing with the new administration that's in office now? I mean, it's not a new station, but I mean, I don't know how frequently they were doing it before.
Right, we've gone through a couple of them now, but it doesn't seem to...
Haven't been searched. This one
right.
We barely even stopped at, and then another one we stopped, and the guy asked a couple questions, and then we kept going.
Right.
That was just after Big Bend. Yeah, if you guys are familiar with the area and travel the Southwest a lot, is those checkpoints increasing with the amount of, they were stopping everybody on I-10 here. So let us know in the comments below. And if you've been to a Cosmic Campground, let us know your thoughts on it.
Yeah.
I'm looking forward to seeing all the stars. Hopefully I can get some, set up my camera and get some good pictures. I'm sure the kids will be bored.
I'm gonna sleep. You'll never know. It's too dark.
Can't sleep at night. You gotta be outside looking at the stars.
Well, I can't sleep in the day either.
Sure you can.
Right?
Just close your eyes.
That doesn't
This is Riley. Riley can sleep anywhere.
happen. Yeah, at night.
Alrighty, let's keep on driving down the road. We got probably about 180 miles or so till we get there. Ooh, take this one wide. Skinny turd.
Gotta love cattle gates.
Well, make sure we can get lined up to go through the gate.
Yeah, it's fun. There's like nobody up here.
Over there on the left, and yeah, spot that we want.
This one here and that one up there, they're kind of long, so...
Go to that one here. Got more room to back in.
So you're gonna do this one?
There, yeah.
We made it to the campground. There's like 2 or 3 other campers here. Here I come. Say hi. So, every camp spot has a nice picnic table. We have a fire pit.
A lot of room.
We got the whole wide open outdoors. And this is home for the next 3 to 4 days. We're going to check out some stars tonight. Maybe go check out some trails while we're here. We even have a bathhouse right across from us, which we probably won't use. But let's go ahead and get set up.
Tank was marking his territory already. It's a nice picnic
Yeah, we're
table.
pretty level here. Maybe get those wedges out on the other side. All right, so our bunk room slide isn't going out for any reason.
Why,
For some reason. That's not going out, huh?
Gotta check it.
Works for me. I got the magic touch.
Oh, hello.
He even pushed down on it and it didn't want to go down.
Were you hitting the correct button?
Yeah.
All clear?
Okay.
Well, we got all set up. We are still the only ones here. This one's nice. There's no trash service, but they have this vault style bathroom, so that's really nice. No running water. At least there's a place to go to the bathroom. Got this nice little information area, tells you about the park. I guess in 2016 is when it was finally designated as part of the International Dark Sky Sanctuary. So I'm definitely looking forward to seeing these skies tonight. No moon, so it's gonna be nice. What do you think, Tango?
Who said he's ready to go for a walk?
Ready to go for a walk? Come on, let's go. So we're in campsite 2. So there's 1, 2, 3. I guess we're in 4 then.
campsite
4 or
3.
5 right here, yeah.
Or 4. We're in campsite 4.
1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, we're number 4. Then you got people camping over there. So I guess, and then there were some people on the road on the way in camping. So I guess there's several spots besides just the actual named campground. In the middle over here, looks like they got spots for tent people. And then back here they have these pads, concrete pads that are level for you to set up a telescope if you have a telescope. We had wanted to try to buy one, at least an inexpensive one, before we got here, but as you know, too many other big expenses the past couple months.
That's right. It's a never-ending battle.
So that's pretty nice. They got 4 concrete pads. Set up your telescope. No parking there, but they got parking right along here in front of these boulders. So we walked out here. We're on the main road. We're driving into the campground. Not sure if you can see our camper all the way over there, but there's a couple pull-offs. Like here's a pull-off here. It looks like people have pulled in and camped.
It goes
So there's
back
more
that
spots
way a
than
little ways.
yeah. It goes back a little way. So there's plenty of places to camp besides the
Just gotta watch
actual
the dip.
campground. Looks like somebody was been out here with a horse.
Remember that trailer was there when we pulled in?
Yeah, there was a horse trail. I couldn't remember if it was here, if it was down the road farther. Yeah, here's spot 5, but there's a spot over here. It doesn't have a number, so I guess that would be spot 6.
Yeah.
All right, don't get scared. I'm checking out a ghost town. After the mine shut down in the 1940s, Mogollon slowly turned into a ghost town. But over the years, artists, historians, and a few full-time residents helped keep the town alive. In the 1960s and 70s, it became a quiet retreat for those looking to escape the busy world. Some of the old buildings were restored, and a few small businesses opened, including art galleries and a seasonal cafe. Today, the town is open mostly from spring through fall. Visitors can walk its dusty streets, explore the old Silver Creek Inn, and visit the museum to learn about its rich mining history. While only a handful of people live here year-round, the town remains a unique window into the history of the American Southwest. Riley, where's all the ghosts at?
I don't know, that's cat.
Why me?
You're the ghost hunter.
They probably
They
come out
probably
at
ran
night.
away from you.
Got a ghost town where people live.
Yep.
Look, you got a little entrance to the mine over there, Riley. There's another one over there. Guess it's used to be a mine entrance. You can see, and it goes in there a little ways, Michaela. This place is pretty cool. Here's all the old, I guess, little mining cars that they used in the mine. Still haven't seen a sign saying, you know, when the town was basically operational and what they were mining. Rusted out old car bodies. Old gas pump back there too. This old metal tubing coil. I wonder if they did any type of what that was used for. Old transformer for power. Sure that was a Ford or what it was. If you know what kind of car that was, let me know in the comments down below. There's an old mining bucket. Pretty cool. This old car's cool. I mean, look at that. It's got wooden spokes on the wheels. There's a little fuel tank. The Cosmic Campground is located within the Gila National Forest, and it's one of the darkest places in the country. And it was the first international dark sky sanctuary in the Northern Hemisphere. With no city lights for over 40 miles, the night sky here is unbelievably clear. You can see the Milky Way stretch across the sky in the summer months, planets shining brightly, and even the occasional shooting star. Well, another moving day. Our time here at the Cosmic Campground has come to an end. It was a pretty fantastic 4 days. So if you're looking to camp someplace where you can really see the stars, this is the place to come. I would suggest getting here on during the weekday, like a Wednesday or Thursday. We got here Thursday, it wasn't anybody. Then it kind of filled up pretty quick. Right. Thursday evening and definitely Friday, Saturday nights were full. Another thing to keep in mind is people come here to look at the stars, so don't be using white light.
Don't come in after dark if you don't have to.
Yeah, use a red light. And there was a couple cars that came in after dark, bright, headlights on, not being considered other people, and they're shining their lights everywhere and using their white lights to set up tents. Right. So that's not what people come here for. We come here for the darkness so we can enjoy the beautiful nocturnal sky.
Yeah, and then just keep in mind that if you come all the way down to where the campground is and it's full, I mean, there's plenty of room out here. If you cross back over the cattle guards, you can find a spot off on the side. I mean, there's no hookups anywhere you go. It's just a pit toilet, so I mean, at least you have access to a bathroom, but there's no water or anything.
Yeah, and you can travel past the campground to across the other side of the cattle guards, and if you have more of an off-road vehicle, I wouldn't take a big camper very far down that road, but there's pull-off spots back there as well. It's all BLM land, U.S. forestry land.
Yeah, and you can't, as of right now anyway, you can't do any fires outside of the actual campground area.
Yeah, so check the sign at the entrance right off the main road, right off of 180. That'll tell you. There's a sign posted that says no campfires. It even says no smoking, so if you're a smoker, keep that in mind when you come out here.
Right.
Cigarette butts are a big cause of wildfires.
Right, and then just make sure that you have enough water to put out the fire, because you have to put it out before you go to sleep, or if you're going to leave it unattended.
Yeah, for those times you are allowed to have a fire, make sure you put it out. But it's all, national forest, BLM land, so it's all free. There's no cost. Just a lot of people are confused on that because, I think I had 2 or 3 people come up to me and ask, where they're supposed to pay at. But no payment, just 14-day stay limit.
And Michaela said that she had somebody ask her too, so.
Hey, if you guys have stayed here before, let us know in the comments what you thought of the campground and the area and the nighttime sky. Obviously, we're here in March now, so we couldn't see the Milky Way. I'm looking forward to seeing that here as we travel out west.
Right.
That's usually visible in the spring through summertime. But thanks for watching this week's video. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, and we'll see you on the road.